The purpose of the Soin Award for Innovation is to identify, honor, and financially assist a company in the Dayton region, which demonstrates the historical, innovative spirit of this community. Dayton is home to many technological pioneers, and we're proud to recognize UDEX as this year's recipients of the 2013 Soin Award for Innovation. UDEX is introducing the only modular, portable, and completely do-it-yourself patio decking product on the market today, providing a more affordable and accessible way to enjoy simple outdoor living.
In my own life, I had a need I wanted to have a deck or a patio within my backyard. However, I knew I wanted to have some flexibility because I could reconfigure it. I also wanted to bury utilities, and I didn't want to put something in I was going to have to tear out in a few years.
So he looked around in the marketplace for something that could be portable, modular, in a patio or a deck that would be easy for him to use and move later, and he couldn't find anything. All he found was traditional decks.
It is a significant hassle to go and buy a traditional deck or patio, the complexities, the decision-making process.
So John, Mike, and I got together, and we actually built a pressure-treated wood prototype that we actually supported with concrete piers. And we set that up in his backyard. Along came the University of Dayton Business Plan competition.
And over the course of about a year or a year and a half, we kept winning these business plan competitions or placing high and just gaining momentum.
I got really excited about what they were showing me, and after several weeks of going through the business plan, we decided that, hey, let's stop entering business plans and actually make a business out of UDEX.
From that point, we were able to raise some investment capital and do all the things that you have to do to take a concept from just that into a real business.
So that's when we realized that this was more than just a hobby for us, that this was actually a business opportunity.
You've heard of garage bands. We were a basement business, which was a lot of fun.
There is simply nothing like UDEX on the market. 75% of the patios and decks that are built in the United States are done by a contractor, simply because of the complexities. One person can put together a 10 by 10 patio deck literally in about 2 hours. Traditional decks, it takes several days because you got to dig holes, you got to pour concrete, you got to do all the framing, and then you put the planks on. It's a very, very time-consuming process, and it's very complex.
We want to make this a simple, friendly DIY project for consumers, and so whatever we can do to make it easier and more convenient for the consumer.
UDEX is co-branded. We have a residential brand, which is the green and the tagline, Simple Outdoor Living. And then we have a commercial brand, or a commercial side of the business, which is UDEX Modular Shelter Flooring.
Because our product is easy to deploy, it's easy to install, it's easy to take down, it's reusable, we have tremendous potential with the military for using our product underneath modular tent structures. Instead of using plywood and 2x4s for a floor, they can use our system where it's more efficient and reusable.
This is the only brand in the product that is built around simplicity. It's about select, assemble, and enjoy. You select it, you assemble it, and you enjoy it in a matter of hours, not days or weeks.
We've worked with over 40 local organizations and companies in Dayton, and without those companies and those partnerships, we wouldn't be here where we are today.
I mean, that's the great thing about the resources in the Miami Valley, because you can have a great idea for a business, but if you don't have a marketing plan and financing and distribution and logistics, all of those different elements in place, you're not going to get very far. So that's been great about all the different companies we've been able to partner with in the Miami Valley.
We know that Dayton has a really strong history in manufacturing, so what we wanted to do was be a part of bringing that back. And this is 100% manufactured in Southwest Ohio.
And it's one of those things that I think Dayton should be very proud of, is that there's a tremendous amount of very positive things happening right here in our own backyard.
I guess the hardest part about this is just you have a lot of great moments and you have a lot of setbacks, and the main thing I think is just the perseverance. No matter what happens, an obstacle comes up and where you're tempted to maybe say, well, that's it, I'm just going to walk away. You just think of a creative way to get around that and to continue plugging on, and that's what we've been doing for almost 3 years now, and that's gotten us to the point we are now where we're actually going to be shipping products, in the next day or two.
It's a really difficult thing to get a new product out there and to get people to understand it. But I enjoy the challenge.
UDEX at some point we hope is going to be a sort of a common name, right? Is that when you start thinking about building a patio or a deck, I'm going to think about UDEX.
Our strategy is to be a great brand that is delivering on innovative products.
In the digital realm, I have a number of new products that we'll be introducing hopefully 8-10 months, a year down the road, like curves, curved pads, angled pads, ramps, things like that.
We've not looked back. It's just been a fun time here. All of us are working for ourselves. We're having a great time, and UDEX is going to be a very positive outcome from our hard work.
We're very honored for this award. However, we really couldn't have done this without all the terrific partners we've had. And as I mentioned before, a lot of great companies in the Dayton area who I weren't even aware of. But whether it's been marketing or printing, molds, manufacturing, logistics, it's really all of those people who are sort of filling the gaps that we may have in our own business. So, they're like an extension of our company.
In addition to the Dayton Area Chamber of Commerce's $25,000 cash award, this year's winner will also receive support from CareWorks and Cox Media Group Ohio. The Dayton Chamber thanks Raj Soin and Soin International for underwriting this award for the past 7 years. This generosity allows us to commemorate the past, present, and future innovative spirit of business in the Dayton area.